Looking for something healthy and satisfying to dip your crackers or veggies in? Stay tuned because I have just the thing. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome back to the Organixx channel, where you can find research-based nutrition videos, delicious recipes, and tips on living a healthy and happy life. Today, we will be making an avocado egg salad. Chop up your pickles into small pieces. I used 8 baby pickles instead of 2 medium-sized ones. Pour the pickles into a large mixing bowl. Slice the stem off your washed kale and chop up into bite-sized pieces. Pour your olive oil over the chopped kale and massage to soften. Massaging helps break down the cell walls and soften the kale. Add the kale to your bowl. Slice your apple into quarters and remove the stem and seeds. Apples cleanse the colon of bacteria, viruses, yeast, and mold. They also support liver, digestive tract function, and brain health. Chop up into pieces. Add the apples to your bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of mustard and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Boil 4 eggs for about 10 minutes and remove their shell. Chop up the boiled eggs. Add to your mixing bowl. Mix up your ingredients. Slice the avocado lengthwise and twist open. Make slits into the avocado to form a crisscross pattern. Gently remove the avocado pieces from the skin. Repeat the process on the other half. Add to your mixture. Stir up well. Enjoy on your favorite cracker, veggie, or just straight from the bowl. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to leave your comments below and remember to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our new videos.